applicant A1200213.
Good day, Mom and Sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
I am Rolin Cibetero, 26 years old. We are 8 in our family and I am the fourth. I am undergrad in ICT, means Information Communication Technology. I am a Christian.
Do you have any working experience, domestic helper in the Philippines or in abroad?
Yes, Mom and Sir. I have two years experience here in the Philippines. There are 4 members in their family, 1 couple and 2 children. I do clean the house, I cook simple Filipino food, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I can go to market, mopping the floor, washing the dishes. For the children, my duties and responsibilities, giving food, prepare their school uniform, send and fetch school, teach their assignment, and sometimes I bring them to the park.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love reading and listening music.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I want to go to abroad because I want a better life for my family.
Do you have any message in future employer?
Yes, Mom and Sir. If you choose me as one of your employer, I will do all my duties and responsibilities. I am honest, patient, and I am hardworking. I will treat your family as my own. And I promise I will finish my 2-year contract. Hope to see you soon.
Thank you and goodbye.